also smell. But other animals have developed thinking senses beyond what we can even imagine. Again, I'm looking for a friend of mine who happens to be a great sneaker. He can smell a tasty fruit from a long distance away. So now I want you to meet Larry, our farm secret, or locally known as yes, Musa. Just like our Scout's old friend, he is busy at night looking for his food, so his eyesight is also excellent in the dark. But his specialty is his very sensitive sense of smell. So to show you how we are going to play. So I have 3 bamboo cups right here, and I'm going to taste or hide a treat under one of these bamboo cups. Larry's job is to spit it out, and he will go to show us that we find the treat by tilting the bamboo cup over using this pot. Start.
Ano gagawin niya, Iles? Ano kayong gagawin niya?
First round, I will have the treat under the second cup. Okay, Larry? Number 3 or Larry? Just find the treat first. Come on, Larry. Yeah. So, Larry, take it. And there we go. And wow, oh, she's rolling! Wow, it tastes so big. How about let's try it one more time. This time, we will decide. Okay, where do you want to hide the treat? First cup or third cup? This one. Okay, majority. Larry, never